Wiggins, y'all didn't have to eat like this. Hey girlies, I know y'all heard me in the beginning. Wiggins came through with this amazing wig that I will be installing for you guys today. I was so shook by how this wig came pre-plugged. I know they mentioned that it was pre-plugged, but guys, when I say this is like a freaking wig wearer's dream, a girlie that doesn't really want to go to the salon and spend that extra coin but want to give salon experience at home, literally all you have to do is follow these steps that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Ebon New York melted spray, and this is the one that's super firm. It's that clear one. It's black and in a clear bottle. I will put it on the screen right here, and this product right here is going to help me lay my wig cap down because I am going to be doing a bald cap method today because, like I said, I wanted that salon experience. You guys know I don't do this all the time, but when I do it, it's because I am in love with the wig and I know for a fact that I'm going to be wearing it for a little minute. So you just want that to sit for a little while so it can air dry, or you can take your blow dryer and do it. But because I was sipping on a little wine, I was talking to you guys, but I literally lost the audio. So you're just gonna see me running my mouth, but I was really showing you guys and telling you guys my thoughts overall and how I was installing the unit this day. Then they did add an adjustable band onto the wig, and it just allows you to have a more snug fit to your unit. You know how this goes. And then we're just gonna pop that on and just admire how thin that lace is, and it just already looks like it's hiding from me. Okay, like I love the widow's peak illusion right here, and I did want to go in and show you how the parting was. It's pretty far back, and you can do so many different styles, so many different looks, and it's just going to look really bomb. I'm going to adjust the wig for you really quick so you can see what it looks like with a side part. Of course, I would not actually go in doing my side part like this because, girly, when I say it's going to look crazy, when you want to wear a buzz down middle part. So if you're doing a side part look, just commit to doing your own side part, creating your own side part, because you want to be able to wear this wig buzz down middle part, updos, whatever. But as you can see, that lace is all the way up there on the other side, and you do not want to mess that up. Okay, so you see all that lace that you will be cutting off. You don't want to do that on like a $300 wig, honey. Like, no. This is a 26-inch unit, so you do spend a little bit more coin on longer units, but I think the cheapest unit is like $96, and you really can't beat that if the quality is giving this looks. Like, I will try to give you guys a discount code down in the description, but all the information to this exact unit will be linked below. If you guys are interested, make sure you take advantage because they have great deals going on. So we're going to get into laying this wig, you guys. So I'm just going to start cutting around my ear tabs because I need to make sure that this is fitting like it was made for me. This is a small cap size, so I loved how snug this felt, but of course the wig has like extra lace on it, so I will be making sure I cut around my ear tabs so my ear can pop out. I was trying to show you guys how I do it. I like to take a rat tail comb and just put it at the top of my ear, lay the lace down on top of the rat tail comb, take my shears, and then I do a nice little incision in the lace, and then I cut it until it almost, gets up to where my ear is, and then I start raking the rest of the lace so I don't have to commit too much of a cut onto the lace because I don't want to cut off a lot of the actual hair on the lace frontal. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm going to do it again on the other side. All right, girlies, so now that I am comfortable with how my wig is fitting on me, I'm going to remove the rest of this extra fabric from this wig cap to make sure that it's giving bald babe. And then I'm going to add a little bit of hairspray on the edges just so they are not sticking and rolling up like that. We don't want that because that looks crazy underneath your wig. So just use a little bit of hairspray on your razor, on the back of your razor, and then let it get tacky, and then lay the rolled up pieces pieces. I'm using my Ebony New York. This is my firm hold red can, and I'm just going to be laying the lace and trying to keep it away from that wig cap as much as possible. This was very scary for me. And then you want to make sure that you put it over the wig cap, not on it, because it will ravel up again. I kind of, you know, hit it a little bit on the right side, but it was all good, girl. So what I'm going to do is just rake all of the hair backwards, and then while I do that, the hairspray is going to get tacky, and it's just going to help make sure that I'm going to have a super laid unit once I put the elastic band on. So I take my time doing this. I'm showing you guys real time of how slow I go, and then I'm just going to speed it up so you're not tortured with me sitting here all day. But using a rat tail comb while doing this is definitely going to help speed up the process, just only because like the fineness of the rat tail comb just really gets into those knots. And the good thing about their knots, they only have 2 pieces of hair in each knot, so it's going to look super realistic versus the other ones that are super dark. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of oil sheen, or you can use any serums that you have, or even like a heat protectant spray just to knock off any extra harsh holds on that hairspray, because you want the hair to be loose as possible. I try to give you guys like a little cute updo at first, but then I'm just like, no, my girls need to see this hairline and need to see how amazing these curls look after like plucking them out and just brushing them out. But I did want to show you how flat the top part of their unit is, and I did not have to go in and do any extra. We're going to move on to taking the elastic band off, and we're going to take away all of this extra lace. But look at how that blends into my skin already, and I didn't even remove the extra lace yet. I was obsessed, you guys. Like 10 out of 10, hands down. The hair quality, amazing. Lace quality, the pluck on this, the tint on this, it really just gave 10s all across the board, and I was literally obsessed. I really can't tell you enough that you need this. Like, if you are a wig girly, you need this in your life. So I'm taking my Pattern Beauty. This is their oil hairspray, and I'm just making sure that I lift all of those little crusties from the hairspray up off my hair with that. And then I am going to show you guys a quick little trim that I do on the hair. I did touch up some of the curls with my curling iron, with my T3 curling iron, but when I say amazing density on this unit, I did do some slight layering to it, nothing crazy. As you can see, this is some pretty long hair. So I'm removing the extra lace, and then I'm going to add a little bit more hairspray around the perimeter just to make sure that, you know, the lace is not going to lift up on me, even though this elastic band was sitting on my forehead for a little bit of time, okay? But I just wanted to make sure I didn't have any lifting going on at all. All right, girlies, so I'm going to open up the part a little bit with some concealer, and I did add this duck clip just so the hair can be a little bit more in my face once I go ahead and remove those. And that is pretty much it. Like, Wiggins, the girls are shook. I already know. If you guys enjoyed this install, please let me know in the comment section below, and let me know if you've ever seen a unit really just come through and just take over the game like this. I'm so serious. I was in love. So I will link all of Wiggins' information down in the description box below. Make sure you guys take advantage. You guys know it's summertime. They have, I think, the longest length on their site for this unit is 36 inches. You can get the density all the way up to 300% density. Do you hear what I'm saying? You can even get it to a 13x6 instead of a 13x4. I want to go ahead and click that link down in the description box that lets you know that you can get directed straight to the exact link that I'm wearing on my head, and then you'll get all the information as well as honest reviews from other customers letting you guys know their experience with this unit as well. But I really had to just come on here and show my girls like really what Wiggins was coming through with, and I was just so excited that I was able to do a start to finish install with y'all without having to do too much customizing. And I feel like this is a very beginner friendly wig, you guys. The hair quality is just amazing. It's very much so unmatched in my opinion. I think I've had a deep wave unit from them, a body wave unit. I hope you guys enjoyed the install. Once again, this is an up close shot of this pre-plugged hairline, 13x4 once again, and I will see you all in the next video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, girlies.